Hey, in this video, I will show you how to see send friend requests on Snapchat. It's actually a very simple tutorial, so all you have to do is hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and let's start. So what you want to do is go on the top left corner and hit on your profile. After you click on your profile, you want to go down to friends. You want to click on my friends. As you can see, I don't have a lot of friends. And here you see all the people that you've already added. Normally, most people have it to auto add, accepting everyone that wants to add them without any request. So if you just go on everyone and on their profile, send a request, you see them there. If you don't see them there, you want to click on add friends. And here you can see people that actually added you, the friend requests from other people on Snapchat that are trying to add you. As you can see, I have 5 people, no idea how. I don't even use Snapchat a lot, but here it is. And here I can see different people that I can quickly add on Snapchat from here. So when I add someone from here, from this option, it will say either a check mark that I've already sent a request, or I'll instantly add them if they have this option. If the video helped you out, slap the like button. If you still have any questions, let me know in the comment section down below, and I would love to help you out. See you in the next video. Bye.